In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run payroll and process payroll taxes in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll feel confident completing a standard pay run and taking care of the tax filings that go with it. Let's start with running payroll. In QuickBooks Online, everything begins in the payroll area. From your main dashboard, look for the payroll menu in the left-hand navigation and select Run Payroll. This is where you'll handle each regular pay cycle for your employees. On the Run Payroll screen, the first thing to check is your dates. Confirm that the pay period matches the range your employees are being paid for and that the pay date is the actual date you intend to send the money. This is especially important at year-end because the pay date determines which year the payroll falls into for tax purposes. Next, select the employees you want to pay in this run. For hourly employees, type in the number of hours they worked during the pay period. Make sure overtime, holiday hours, or any special earnings are entered correctly. For salaried employees, QuickBooks Online automatically calculates their pay based on the salary information you've already set up, so you usually just need to confirm the amounts. If you use QuickBooks Time, there's an option called Review Approved Time. Choose that to pull in approved timesheets so you're not entering hours manually, which can help reduce errors. Once all the information is in, choose Preview Payroll. Take your time here to review the summary. You'll see total wages, tax withholdings, deductions, and the net pay for each employee. This is your chance to catch anything that looks off, like missing hours or an incorrect deduction. It's a good habit to compare this preview to your expectations from previous pay runs. If everything looks correct, confirm that the right bank account is selected for the payroll withdrawal. This is the account QuickBooks will use to pay your employees. When you're ready, click Submit Payroll. QuickBooks will then process the payments according to your setup, whether that's direct deposit or printed checks. Now let's move on to processing payroll taxes. Go to your Payroll Tax Center. This is where QuickBooks shows what filings and payments are due. Under sections like Action Needed or Coming Up, you'll see your full payment submissions listed with their due dates. These represent the payroll tax filings that need to be sent to the tax agency. Find the submission you're ready to handle and click the File button next to it. On the next screen, review the details carefully, including the amounts and the period covered. Make sure the File electronically option is selected so QuickBooks sends the form directly to the tax agency for you. When everything looks accurate, click Submit. QuickBooks will transmit the filing, and you'll typically see a confirmation status once it's been sent. Follow these steps each pay period, and you'll keep both your employees and your payroll taxes up to date in QuickBooks Online.